Is it time to buy or sell Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Tonix Pharmaceuticals. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 7th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 6th of February, 2025, our system has ranked Tonix Pharmaceuticals as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -6.01. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 15.84%. This results in an average return of 0.75% per day since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining short-term trend, indicating a likelihood of further decreases. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 47% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a complete loss to nearly 42%. In terms of a longer perspective, our analysis over a 12-month period points to an anticipated decline of about 10%. According to our projections, the stock's performance could vary dramatically, from a complete loss to over 1,290% in the coming year. In practical terms, this would imply a future price ranging from $0 to $181.11. Our latest daily update for Tonix Pharmaceuticals includes the headline, High Volatility in Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock price on Friday, which ended trading at $13.02. The Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock price fell by 11% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 7th of March, 2025, from $14.63 to $13.02. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 19%, hitting a low of $12.68 and a high of $15.09. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, but remains up by 41% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also declined on the last day, which is often a positive indication, as volume should ideally follow stock price trends. On that day, trading volume fell by 14 million shares, with a total of 2 million shares exchanged for approximately $27,320,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $264, while the lowest was $6.76. Currently, the price is 95%, or $250.98, below the 52-week high, and 98%, or $946.98, below the all-time high reached on the 29th of November, 2018, when the price peaked at $960. Tonix Pharmaceuticals, trading on NASDAQ under the symbol TNXP, has made significant strides recently, starting with their upcoming presentation at the 2025 Virtual Investor Summit on March 11th. This event may attract potential investors, enhancing market interest. Just days prior, Tonix presented promising data regarding their treatment for fibromyalgia, TNX-102SL, at a major international congress. This sublingual formulation has shown significant pain reduction in clinical trials, positioning the company ahead of the FDA's August 15th PDUFA goal date. Approval could make TNX-102SL the first innovative non-opioid treatment for fibromyalgia in over 15 years, potentially boosting sales projections and investor confidence in the long term. Moreover, Tonix's recent operational update indicated a robust cash position of nearly $99 million, which supports their ongoing projects into early 2026. The positive top-line results from the Phase 1 trial of TNX-1500, aimed at preventing kidney transplant rejection and treating autoimmune diseases, further underline the company's promising future in developing essential therapies. However, a recent reverse stock split may introduce some volatility in the short term, impacting investor sentiment. Overall, as these developments unfold, TNXP is likely to remain a focal point for investors, particularly with the anticipated FDA decision coming up later this year, which could significantly affect the company's valuation. Analyst ratings on Monday, the 22nd of July, 2024, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned TNXP a buy rating along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 11th of April, 2024, it was noted that Noble Capital Markets rated TNXP as outperform with a hold action. On the same date, Thursday, the 11th of April, 2024, Noble Capital also rated TNXP as outperform with a hold action. On Thursday, the 2nd of June, 2022, it was reported that Noble Financial gave TNXP a buy rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 23rd of May, 2022, it was reported that Craig Hallam assigned TNXP a hold rating along with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Tonix Pharmaceuticals. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near short-term development. The Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average, yet the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates an overall sell signal for the stock, providing a more negative forecast. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $18.61. Conversely, if the stock declines, support can be found at the short-term average of $9.98. A breakout above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would introduce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall sentiment. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Friday, December 20th, 2024, and thus far, the stock has declined by 78.71%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. During the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which mitigates the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 51 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 192 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 22 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 22 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 22 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 12 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tonix Pharmaceuticals. Tonix Pharmaceuticals finds support from accumulated volume at $12.50, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and due to the extensive prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is seen as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.41 between its high and low, which is an increase of 19.01%. Over the past week, the stock has averaged a daily volatility of 31.88%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tonix Pharmaceuticals, let's quickly review some key fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is currently losing money. Even well-established companies can go through difficult times, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios might suggest inadequate profitability and could pose bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of April, 2025. Analysts are projecting a consensus estimate of negative $6.23. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tonix Pharmaceuticals. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tonix Pharmaceuticals is at $14.63. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before establishing a position. For those who already hold the stock, This could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Tonix Pharmaceuticals encounters its first support level at $12.50. Should this support level hold, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tonix Pharmaceuticals from various analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 5th of February, 2025, Bell Margaret Smith executed an insider sale of 1 share of common stock with a par value of $0.001. On the 5th of February, 2025, Treco James conducted an insider sale of 2 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001. On the 10th of June, 2024, Olukunadewai executed an insider sale of 812 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001. On the 5th of February, 2025, Bagger Richard H. conducted an insider sale of 2 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001. On the 25th of February, 2025, Sanger Bradley executed an insider purchase of 25,792 shares of stock options. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 98.808. Overall, insiders purchased 64,426,461 shares and sold 9 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Tonix Pharmaceuticals stock a good buy? Tonix Pharmaceuticals shows several negative indicators, and we believe its performance will remain weak over the coming days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock is negative. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our conclusion for this stock from a sell to a strong sell candidate since our last assessment. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 10th of March, we expect Tonix Pharmaceuticals to open higher by approximately 577 cents, starting at a price of $13.60. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your insights. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. Wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us at StockInvest.